How do you do?
I am also fit as a fiddle. Now I am working on my communication skills. So, as you know that we are talking first time, would you like to introduce about yourself?
Yes, sure. I'm feeling so much excited to introduce myself. I'm Latha Bairegowda and married and also have two twin kids and also teaching English for the students. Then simultaneously have been running YouTube channel since 4 to 5 months related English content regarding solo videos. Everything I just upload only English content. This is my small introduction. If you want to get know my location that where I belong to, I'm just from Karnataka. I hope you know of Karnataka state.
Yes, I have listened.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I should introduce about myself. My name is Jyoti. I live in Agra. I have
Yeah.
one daughter. She will be 2 years after 2 days. And I am
Oh,
homemaker as well, a YouTuber also. Now I am working on communication skills. And sometimes I am making solo videos. Sometimes I'm making conversation videos. Both videos I'm making. But I have seen people like to watch conversation videos more than solo
yeah.
videos.
Okay. Can I
Yes.
ask one question that why do you like most of the time that having conversation with the people than doing solo videos?
So in conversation, you are not visible. Now she is calling me again.
Yeah.
Okay. So you know that in conversation we get confidence.
Yeah.
We are making eye contact with someone
Yeah.
and we are sharing our thoughts, ideas, and we are getting others' ideas. Yes. In conversation, can I told you as I told you that we can make eye contact, we can express our body language, we can share our thoughts. So it is a good way with communication that we can get. Yes. And suppose if now video call is we are talking on audio call. That time we will be not comfortable. In video call, we get more. I have seen this.
Yeah, you are told very truth fact. Yeah, when do we face to face talk with a unknown person? That is time we get another confidence and we feel confident. Then yeah, I have talked with that person. Then why can't I meet a in unknown person every day? Like we do feel every day. Like this way, we can definitely boost up our communication skill along with confidence as well as. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
okay. Okay, how long have you been doing conversational videos?
More than 1 year. You know, when I started my journey of speaking like a conversation videos, that time people were not aware about this Skype app more.
Yeah,
Yes, but now you can ask to everyone that they are several people, those are making conversation videos on this Skype. And that's why we
yeah,
are facing lots of problem in this app.
yeah. You are 100% right. If we talk to each other day to day, definitely we can meet every persons like Skype.
I have seen that everyone, they are making conversation, they have their own YouTube channel.
Yeah,
And if you
either
will
either
scroll
we
video,
yeah either we
scroll video, you
succeed
will get
either
conversation videos.
yeah either we succeed on YouTube or not don't know, but having our own channel regarding English, it's another confidence for us to improve our level best English day by day. I just believing in YouTube that one or another day definitely I can be fluent than this throughout YouTube. Having channel is a great platform in YouTube, I can say.
Yes, but I have seen those have started their channel in like a 5 or 6 years before. They
Yeah,
they are giving up. That time people were not aware about this YouTube before. But now everyone knows that YouTube there are several benefits of YouTube channel.
yeah,
But that time we had no like that good internet. But we nowadays, you know, everyone knows this. They have all people. They have like a good phone as well,
yeah,
smartphone. That time, you know, If you go in past, that time people had like a only a little phone, keypad.
Mm.
Yes,
Yeah,
that time they
they
had no
they
phone.
earlier days they didn't have any kind of social media, and they have had a total poor idea about social media. Because of that, they didn't aware of any kind of knowledge or languages. What the knowledge did they have with themselves? They most of the time prefer to be have and continue with that knowledge only. But in this generation, in this era, we have social media, and we have plenty opportunities, plenty and many more opportunities pop up on our social media. Then why don't we grab that opportunity? Why don't we utilize that opportunity in right manner with having perfect schedule? Either we married or not, not bother. The thing is only that how we are consistent by using the the social media in right manner. This is the thing only denote has. I just also believing in myself that we can do one day. Either we success slowly or fastly, not bother, but the thing is we need to stand up in our life ever and ever. Yeah, this is the thing I just trusting too much.
Yes, you are absolutely right. That now, that time before 5 or 6 years, that time I went a coaching, English Institute, that was totally free. And that time, do you believe on offline classes or online English?
Yeah, I just you can say I just believe first on myself. If I have fully interest with myself that I can definitely do, then I can go towards. I just prefer for both things rather than I just don't believe like offline or online. Totally, we must believe in ourselves. Where do we have so much interest along with us? Definitely, both things can also exist. This is the way I think.
Yes, that time I was not married. I'm talking
Yeah,
about myself, and I was giving lots of time to myself. I gave 2 hours for learning this language that time. But
yeah,
now, after marriage, you can see that there is different, and we cannot go coaching these things. Cannot go, and because if we have children, we have to handle children, but in online nowadays we are talking to each other. So we are at home. Then also we can connect. Yes.
yeah.
But
Online.
in offline, I have seen many like there are many like things like they provide laptop for listening practice, reading practice. We get books there. Yes, everything we get. But at home now, I can see that I am not getting time for reading as well.
Yes.
Whenever I try to read, my daughter she is snatch. This is my book, Mama, give me. That's why I cannot get time to myself. That time
Yeah,
was good. That time was good before married. Then, if suppose now I'm married, if suppose I am unmarried now, I could give time. Yes,
yeah,
but we have a lots of responsibility. First, we have to do them. Then we can do whatever we want.
yeah. You are absolutely all right. First, we need to take care of our babies. If our baby is doing well, then we can definitely have conversation like you so nicely. Otherwise, we can't talk each other so nicely inside of
Now,
our mind. Yeah,
my daughter is sleeping. That's why I'm making talk conversation with you. She was not sleeping, so I could not make conversation. She makes a noise and she says, "Mama, I will make video. You do not make this type activity." She does.
yeah, yeah. Thank you so much for joining this session. Then I want to ask one question for you, ma'am. Then why should you learn English? Why do you want
Why?
to become so much fluent in English?
I am learning this language for my daughter. Now she is growing day by day, and this will be good for her and for me as well. If I have created environment for herself, there is no one who speaks in English at my home. But I try to make conversation with my daughter. I try to make like a small sentence front of her. I speak, and small word I teach her. That's why she's learning. By that, I am getting two benefits. I am learning, she is also learning with me. Yes, she
Yeah,
will not
you
have
are.
any kind of problem in future.
Yeah, yeah, you took very good decision. Okay, let's suppose you would not prefer to learn this language. You would have get some scolding by school teachers when they invite you for parents meeting. Like them, like that time you need to express your words in English itself. Whereas you have unless English knowledge, that time you might be faced some problem. Let's suppose things should not happen. Better now we have to aware of this language very soonly. That's the thing you have been doing. You just keep doing this work, you can definitely achieve. Then
And
out.
they are
Yeah,
many homemaker. They are
yeah,
facing problem in parents meeting because of English.
yeah,
Then
because
it's
of it.
good. Yes,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
can
we.
understand. We can express our thoughts.
Yeah, we all feel, we all desire to send off our childrens to school, for I-Fi school, I-Fi convent. Like we think we have to send our own children for standard school and convent. That time if we have unless of English knowledge, unless of any kind of knowledge, that time we can't send our babies for I-Fi school or convent. Let's suppose we want to do that thing. Better to having confidence and having learning, and not only for English language, having knowledge for regarding anything, we can also uh, do anything for our childs.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah,
it is very necessary. You know that in a, like suppose we go in our parents' time, if we
yeah,
went in our time, that time English was not that much necessary. But now everyone should speak in English. Children should be, and they children mind like they have computer mind. They learn very catch everything very easily. But that time
yeah.
and now we have a smartphone. The children they watch. Some children they watch good things. Some children they watch reels that is not good, so it depends on our self also which type things we are going to provide to our children. We should not
Hmm.
to our children they why that they will get their eyes problem, that's why.
Yeah, yeah. In this era, every children's as a computer mind. I can say they are so much fast than us. One or another day, they might be scolded at us that I know everything. I know English. I can read. I can write. I can do anything. Whatever can I do? But you don't know anything. What have you studied in your school? What your teacher had taught you? Like our children started scolding at us. If let's suppose that thing should not happen, better we need to improve ourselves day by day, like you.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, suppose now I am teaching to my daughter. So
yeah,
I think maybe it can happen when she will grown up. I can be fluent by practicing. Now she go to school after some months. So I will get more time for myself.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
But now I'm not getting from I have seen that when I started my journey, that time she was very small. I could make more conversation, more than one. But now I'm not getting time for one conversation at least. I am
Because
making very
yeah, because she has grown, and she is so much sharp that she can gets up so early, and she can catch up your work, that what in that what work you are involving yourself, everything she can start to have mind sense that work, so
and
that you
now
are
you
not
know
getting.
she is learning from me and she doesn't keep quiet for a like a 10 minutes also. She always
Yeah,
speaks whatever comes in her mind. She says sometimes she sings rhymes, sometimes she speaks sentence like this. She can speak every time she speaks.
does she speak?
You know, it's
Yeah,
little sentence. She says, "Mama, I am eating. I am
yeah.
sleep." This type sentence she speaks, and she may like crying, laughing. These words, she small words she is learning. And now she, if someone something has lost, so she says, "Mama, I am searching. I am searching." So
Yeah.
this thing is very important in this age. We should teach.
Yeah. Okay, you can call out to your baby. Then you can make her sit on your lamp. Then we can have conversation. Not problem. Being a housewife, we can understand everything.
Yes,
You can
yes, yes.
call and
Now she got
sit.
up, so I think more than 13 minutes, 15 minutes
Yeah.
maybe I yes.
Yeah.
It was a nice conversation. We should now she got up, she is saying, Mama, take me.
Yeah. You can